How to fix ping issues on Mobile Legends. So one of the first things you can check is if you have good internet connection, since that's usually one of the main reasons why this happens. To check, you can go ahead to any browser and just search for an MBPS tester. Usually this one is the best, which is speed test by Ookla. You can go ahead and open up the website and just go ahead and press on go, and it should just test your ping. But my mbps is pretty low, but as long as it's not very low, then it should be fine. And yeah, you can go ahead and check your Wi-Fi here. Mine is very bad right now, but that doesn't matter as long as you check. And if it's not that bad, but if it is, you're gonna have to get a different connection or internet that will give you better, of course, ping. Another thing you can do is go ahead into settings. So in your settings, you can go ahead into apps and you can search for Mobile Legends. What you're going to do from here is to pretty much clear some cache on the game, or whatever it's pronounced. Go ahead into Mobile Legends, go ahead to clear data and just press on clear cache. Don't press clear all data since you're going to have to relog in. Clearing cache is pretty much just enough. And one last thing, if you really want the best performance without having to mine quality, I guess you can go ahead into the settings, go ahead into basic and choose this, which is smooth and low consumption. You could even change it manually if you like. So pretty much just turn most of these off, I guess, since this will cost at least a bit of ping for each toggled setting. But as long as you have this should be good enough. And if you can go ahead and turn on speed mode and network boost, but that pretty much only works if you have Wi-Fi and your mobile data on. So toggle those on if you really want as much ping as possible. Then you can do a network test here. Actually, I didn't know, I'm not sure why I went to the browser, but it works here. It also works in the browser, so you have two choices, I suppose. But those are a few things you can try if you have ping issues on your Mobile Legends. So hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.